Let's continue from episode 1. Wind the bobbin. The bobbin and the bobbin case are both in the toolbox. I will use this red thread for the bobbin. First, let's set up the machine. Here is the power plug and the foot pedal. Plug in the power plug. Put the foot pedal on the floor. And here is a switch to turn the machine on and off. When it is turned on, you will see a light above the needle is on. Put the red thread on the spool pin, and this time we will follow the dashed line like this. On the bobbin, you will see little holes. Put the thread through one of them like this. Here is the bobbin winder. Put the bobbin on it, then push it to the right. It will snap in place. We hold the thread so it will not be pulled out of the bobbin. Then we need to use the foot pedal. Make sure the machine is on, so check that light is on. Press the pedal down slightly. Only need a little bit power. Then hold it in position. The winder will start turning and wind the thread to the bobbin. After it turned a few circles, stop the pedal. Cut the thread as close to the bobbin as possible. Then press the pedal again to wind the bobbin till it's about the length you need. Doesn't have to make it full. Then release the foot pedal. Push the winder to the left, then you can take the bobbin out. Now put the bobbin in the bobbin case. Hold the tail of the thread, then see the slow motion. Put it between this tiny slit. Then make it go under that metal part. Or it can be tricky for the first time. So the thread will be here, like this. Open this cover. This is where the bobbin case will be. Flip this latch and hold it like this. Insert it. You will see it stuck here, so it cannot move anymore. To take it off, flip this latch again and it will be off. Put the thread behind the cover and close it. Then hold the top thread, the green one. Roll the hand wheel on the side. Remember to only roll it in one direction, which is towards you. Roll it until the needle is all the way down, and continue roll it until the needle is all the way up. Then the thread in the bobbin, which is red, will come up. Pull it out, then the bobbin procedure is done. Thank you so much for watching, and if it's helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next episode. Bye!